Good day, viewers and my wonderful nursing students out there. I am all out again today to discuss with you the flow of blood round the heart. You can be asked in a vival exam and you are expected to practically point to each point on how the blood flows, and that is what I want to show you today, so that in your next practical exam you can win your examiner when it as regards to vival examination. As you've been earlier told that hearts, this is the anatomical model of the heart, and you are expected to position it this way to your examiner. It is a roughly cone-shaped hollow muscular organ, and in length it is about 10 centimeters, and it weighs like the owner's fist, in real time. So come with me as I show you the flow of blood through the. There are two main great veins in the body, which is the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava gets all the blood in the lower extremities, and the superior vena cava gets all the blood from the upper part of the body and empty its contents into the right atrium. I want to believe you can see now the right atrium. Okay, from there the blood passes through the right atrioventricular valve. This is the right atrioventricular valve. It opens up. By the time it opens up, it releases its content into the right ventricle. Okay, here is also the right ventricle. This is the right atrium. Okay, but this is showing the right atrioventricular valve. So by the time blood gets here, the blood pumps blood, the atrium contracts at the same time to push blood to the down part of the heart. Okay, at the same time, the right and left ventricles also pump blood. As they pump blood, the blood inside the right ventricles pushes its contents, can you see, this way, to the pulmonary trunk. Okay, the pulmonary trunk leads to the two right and left pulmonary artery, and that's the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood. That is why it is painted blue. It's painted blue. Is an artery, but it's painted blue because the content, the blood found there, is actually deoxygenated blood. And you can see there is a pulmonary valve here made up of 3 semilunar cups, and the semilunar cups are there to disallow flow back of blood into the right ventricle. Okay, so the blood passes through the pulmonary artery, which later splits into the left and the right pulmonary artery, which goes to the 2 lungs to get oxygen. On coming back, they will come back through the right and left pulmonary veins. This is the right pulmonary vein, the 2. You can see the 2 here, the 2 pulmonary veins, and it is the only vein, pulmonary vein, that carries oxygenated blood. That is why it is painted red. That's why it's painted red. Okay, this is the left, the 2 left pulmonary veins. Okay, from there the blood from the lungs enter into the left atrium. Can you see at the upper part here? This is the left atrium. From the left atrium, it passes through the left atrioventricular valve, which allows the blood to come to the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the blood contracts and releases its contents, pushes its content into the aorta, and you can see the aortic valve already here. Here is the aortic valve, which also have the 3 semilunar cups. So from there it gets to the aorta. You can see the great vessel aorta here. So the blood is full of oxygenated blood, and then from there to the general circulation. Thank you. And I will also, I need to also emphasize here that the upper part of the heart, which is the right and the left atrium, they contract at the same time to push its contents, that is the blood, into the ventricles. The same way the ventricles contract at the same time, to push blood either into the pulmonary arteries, to get into the lungs, or into the aorta to pump oxygenated blood around the body. Thank you. This is where I'm going to be stopping today. I hope to see you next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get more educative content. Bye bye.